Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another beautiful trailer we have on the ground. This is stock number 14638. This is a 2018 Haulmark ALX 8.5x20+2. So this trailer measures 8.5, 22 total length from the tip of the V to the back. ALX is their all aluminum line, so this trailer does have a full aluminum frame and body underneath it. Weight of this unit is only 3,000 pounds, so you guys can save considerable amount of weight by going to the full aluminum frame. It is still a heavy-duty 6-inch frame, so it is a heavy-duty trailer. You do have a triple tube tongue. This is a shorter tongue. It is not a full, huge, extended tongue, which is good when you guys need to be conscious about how your overall length is if you guys are towing behind campers and RVs and that sort of a thing. So another good feature there. You do have your diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and then that polished cap on your V-nose, which is a nice feature. Beautiful, gorgeous, smooth skin charcoal exterior. It is, you guys can see, no screws or rivets. It is a full smooth skin and it's really clean looking in person. You do have a nice big side door. It does have an RV lock, and then we've added the cam bar to it as well at the factory, so it gives you guys that double lock protection on the side door. Small gutter over this door as well. You also have the aluminum door holdbacks, which is a great feature. 250 100-pound torsion axles with brakes. So this torsion axle is going to give you guys an independent suspension under the trailer. It will ride and tow better with those torsion axles for sure. You've got radial tires and aluminum wheels as well. Give you guys a nice shot of this smooth skin exterior here. Side vents with this unit. You also have stabilizer jacks in the rear. Rear ramp door is a spring assist close. It's easy to open and close this rear ramp door, and with the aluminum doors especially, I can open and close this door with one arm. It's a nice feature. I'm going to spin around here and show you guys this side, and then we'll go on the interior. You do have an escape door on this side. Now it is another great feature. It does have the aluminum door holdbacks, plus you've got the RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection on this door as well. And then coming inside, nudo floor with this unit. So we love our nudo floors. It's one of the best performing floors we can stick in a trailer. Nudo floor is extremely well performing on top, and then on the bonus underneath you've got Drymax. Drymax is a product that does not absorb the water or the moisture like plywood. So having that on the underneath side of your trailer is far, far superior and will help with longevity purposes for sure. You also have a dovetail here at the rear, so that means the back of this trailer drops off about 3 inches. What that's going to do is give you guys a nice easy angle coming in and out of the trailer. It also gives us some extra height here. So we are going to have about a 7.3 rear door opening, as we do have a 7.6 interior height with this unit. So plenty of interior that way. We also have nice vinyl wall covering. You guys can see, give you a good shot. And then a one-piece aluminum roof, and then you guys can see all the aluminum cross members there as well, with a couple of overhead LED lights. So very, very nice trailer all around. Again, lightweight, gives you guys the extra height, and with having those torsion axles, it's going to tow amazing as well. There's one of your side vents, and you've got another one back here in the corner, so you will have a little bit of natural cross ventilation through the trailer. You do have the kick plate here coming in and out of that side door. Toggle switch right there for your lights. Backside of the RV lock gives you guys that piece, a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. And then there's that 2-foot V-nose front giving us that 22 feet in total length. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, we would love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. Or as always, you can check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.